Hi everyone, this is Madeline, family nurse practitioner, here to talk to you today about managing your insomnia at home. This video will talk again about sleep hygiene, how to care for and manage your sleep. We're going to talk about a few things today. We're going to talk about the importance of routines. We're going to talk about electronics and sleep time. We're going to talk about clock watching, and we're going to talk about worrying. The first thing is routines. You may have been told that it's good for you to sleep at routine times, and this is very important. This means that you're going to sleep and waking up at about the same time every day. Unfortunately, that means that on the weekends or days off, spending time to catch up on sleep really can have a negative effect. And this is because it actually tricks your body into thinking that you've perhaps switched time zones and confuses your body about when it should be going to sleep the next night, leading to rebound insomnia. Try to stay within 30 minutes of the same wake up time every day. That means if every day you go to bed at 10 and wake up around 6, try to keep it between 9:30 and 10:30 and waking up between 5:30 and 6:30 about every day. The second thing is electronics and screen time. We are inundated with screens, tablets, laptops, TVs, phones. All of these things are great in helping us stay connected, but they can be really detrimental to our sleep. The screens themselves emit blue light, which tricks our brain into thinking it's daytime, which suppresses our drive to sleep. Try to eliminate screens at least an hour before bedtime. Some of you may use your phone to fall asleep or may watch TV to fall asleep, and this is particularly bad because it's stimulating you mentally and it's also keeping your brain awake with the light. Try something like a boring book, newspaper, puzzle, something really quiet that doesn't emit light, that isn't going to be overstimulating before bed. If this is too hard for you to eliminate screens an hour before bed, try starting at just 15 minutes. This could have a good impact in helping you feel sleepy so that you can fall asleep. The third thing is clock watching. It can be really stressful when you wake up in the middle of the night or you can't fall asleep to look over and see that you only have 6 hours left, 5 hours left, 4 hours left until you need to be awake. Eliminate clocks from your bedroom. They do not help you sleep. They add no value. Set your alarm on your phone or your alarm clock and put it somewhere away from your bed so you can't see it when you're trying to sleep. The fourth point is worrying. Clock watching can be a form of worrying, as it can make you feel anxious about the time you have left. But other worries, such as worries about your day or worries about general things, can really impair your ability to sleep. If you feel like you have problems with worrying either excessively during the day, at night, you can't stop thinking about these thoughts, I recommend talking to your primary care provider, as there may be something else that we can do to help you decrease your level of worry. If you find that really it's just winding down from your day and everything is on your mind when you go to bed, I recommend setting apart dedicated worry time for you to kind of decompress about the things that are bothering you that you're thinking about from the day. It's not helpful to have that time be right when you're laying in bed going to sleep, because you're going to be stimulated by thinking about all the things you need to do tomorrow, all the stuff that came up at work. So separate a time for that, maybe a couple hours before bed, where you're just going to go for a walk with your dog or sit on your porch and kind of decompress and digest the information from the day. In our next video, we're going to talk about how to talk to your provider about sleep. And those are things that will help you to be able to have a more productive conversation and improve your sleep in the long run. See you then.